Looking to supercharge your laptop's performance? Look no further than the G.SKILL Ripjaws SO-DIMM 16GB DDR4 2666MHz memory module. Designed for the latest 6th Gen Intel Core processors, this memory kit offers a new standard of speed and efficiency. With optimized compatibility and extreme performance, it's the ideal choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. What sets the Ripjaws apart is its auto-overclocking feature, which eliminates the hassle of manual BIOS adjustments. Simply install the module, and it will automatically detect and set the rated overclock speed, delivering instant performance boosts without any extra effort. But performance isn't the only highlight. The Ripjaws DDR4 SO-DIMM is also engineered for reliability and power efficiency. Built with specially screened components and tested rigorously for maximum performance and stability, you can trust it to handle demanding tasks with ease. Plus, with a low voltage requirement of just 1.2 V, it reduces power consumption and heat output, keeping your system cool and efficient. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Ripjaws SO-DIMM 16GB DDR4 2666MHz is a game-changer for laptop users seeking unparalleled performance and reliability. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or creating content, this memory module delivers the ultimate upgrade experience. Don't settle for mediocre performance. Upgrade to Ripjaws and experience the difference today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.